Okay, here we are. It's Boxing Day, and Uncle Dan's been, and the boys and kids have been building this wonderful setup, which won't last long, I suspect.
Jingle bells? Yeah, jingle bells. Oh, it's like constant earthquakes. It's like we're in San Francisco. Oh, dinosaurs. Keep. Here.
Oh, look at that train go!
Yeah. We're in a real act for these one-to-one linkers. Yeah.
Oh, it's not me. Oh, it just made it.
Hey.
Uh-oh. Derailment. Oh, it made it.
Oh, clever.
Now watch out, Eli. What are you doing?
Oh, there's a beast on the tracks.
Yeah.
Oh, we got a pile up.
Oh, it won't make it.
Oh, we got a big self-correction. No, run away car.